Scheduled maintenance procedures in manufacturing plants can already be troublesome and result in financial losses. At the same time, unexpected downtimes may lead to even more severe expenses, with an average case amounting to $2 million of financial damage. AOI system has been shown to be an accurate and effective practice for detecting product defects. Still, manufacturers complain about false detection, which causes downtimes in production. To solve such an issue for one of our customers, the Intelliarts team improved the AOI system placed on the PCB and IC assembly line. We built, trained, and integrated the machine learning model for double-checking the detections of missing polarity markings. The model showed 90% accuracy and was proven to solve the customer's challenge. You may learn more about other experiences and expertise of Intelliarts as well as request services we provide by visiting our website.